In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Telegram account without your original phone number. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open Telegram. Click on the start messaging option. It's asking you to enter your phone number. So now what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type TEMPSMSS. Click on this first link. Here you will see some country flags, so select the country of which you want to get the number, and here you will see some country flags. So select the here you will see some country flags, so select the country of which you want to get the phone number. I'll go with Sweden, so click on free Sweden number. Now if you scroll down, you will see a lot of phone numbers, and all you have to do is to select any one of them and then click on this receive SMS option. Then click on this copy phone number option. Now go back to Telegram. First enter the country code. For Sweden it's 46, and then paste the phone number. After that click on next. Click on yes. Click on continue. So once you have provided the phone number, you will receive an OTP code on the given phone number. So in order to get the OTP code, go back to your internet browser and then click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. And from here you will get the OTP code. Paste the OTP code to your Telegram and your Telegram account will be created. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.